Are you thinking about living full-time in your RV, but you're wondering how you can bring these kinds of appliances with you? Space is a premium when you live full-time in RV, and we're going to show you how we've continued to cook our favorite foods using the smaller versions of those same appliances. Our NutriBullet we brought to replace our food processor and our blender. We've made things such as salad dressings, smoothies, and hey, who doesn't love a frozen margarita? Our 2-quart air fryer, although it's small, it cooks a lot of stuff. We've used it for Brussels sprouts, chicken wings, chicken, oh goodness, all kinds of things, and obviously French fries. So this is my 4-cup rice cooker, and you can use it to cook grains, and we mostly use it, however, to cook brown rice and white rice. And in addition, we'll take that rice and use our Blackstone and make some fried rice. Yummy. This is my small but mighty 4-cup crock pot. We've used it to make New England clam chowder, Manhattan clam chowder, and you can see those in our Boston and our Maine videos. And we've made queso, obviously, and another thing that we've learned to do, because we don't have a smoker, we cook our pork tenderloin in here and make pulled pork. Our mini popcorn popper. Whoa! You gotta love fresh popcorn. So now it's time to turn on a movie and have some popcorn. These little guys, most of you, or many of you may have seen these. They're pretty easy to find at Targets for, I don't know, $10 to $12, obviously Amazon. And I use this one a lot to make waffles. But the fun thing is also to use them to make cinnamon rolls, and it's like the Pillsbury, pop the can kind of cinnamon rolls. You just take one at a time, put it in here, and it bakes super fast, and it's a lot of fun, especially for the kids. They love that. And another really fun thing that I do with this is cook eggs in it. You can just crack an egg, put it in there, or you can whip it up with, spinach and some bacon or whatever, put it in there, and it cooks in no time. Just put it on an English muffin, and you have your own English McMuffin. Oh wait.
And of course, coffee is a very important part of RVing, because some of the hikes that we do are kind of grueling. We get up early in the morning. So Pam and I enjoy a good cup of coffee in the morning. In fact, what's a funny point is that Pam actually didn't really like coffee until we started traveling in the RV. And now she drinks it. But we do like a good cappuccino or a good latte occasionally as well. And so as you saw by the video, we have a Krups machine, and that's been a great machine, but it's kind of big and bulky, and quite frankly makes a mess to dispose of all the grinds. Several years ago, we went to Italy on vacation, and we got some inspiration in that they had one of these little Lavazza machines in the Airbnb, and it does use pods, but we decided to give this a shot, and it makes a great little espresso, and we have an Aerocino milk frother, and that makes for great frothing, and it makes for a great cappuccino and a great latte. So, salute!